being able to have an opportunity with a facility like this to train on some of these props, but B, more importantly, having the resources with the team that we have here currently to just talk through these scenarios and bounce these ideas off of each other, having these folks that have experienced these calls. They've seen it, they've lived it. It's just a perfect opportunity to kind of mesh all that together.
Como bien dije recién, estamos en el lugar donde mejor equipamiento hay a nivel mundial, pero en cuanto a la formación es muy importante, son eslabones importantes para el control de una emergencia, la formação do equipe.
Sem dúvida, né? Novas técnicas trazem para a gente novos conhecimentos, novas práticas. A gente vê que é um evento de participação assim, mundial, pessoas com várias regiões, transmite muito conhecimento e isso otimiza para a gente o atendimento de emergência, não só para a gente atender as nossas instalações, que é o nosso grande ideal, né? Proteger nossas instalações, mas principalmente proteger as pessoas, tanto que estão nas instalações como as pessoas que atuam no combate à emergência.
Try to let that phone work around.
Tener el conocimiento almacenado y estarlo entrenando año a año en situaciones como estas, en escenarios como estos, para que cuando tengamos que llevarlos a una emergencia real, tengamos todas las herramientas para poder aplicarlo y poder llevar a esa situación con las menores consecuencias posibles.
The application, the hands-on training, having discussion and then applying it, that's where, you know, Williams helps me out and take that back to my guys at work.
It's been amazing out here. The props are fun. It's fun to get out there and do some of this stuff, but it's been an amazing week.
This type of training that we're going through right now the timing is absolutely perfect. You know, with the pressures we have on our fuel supplies, our fuel storage, the cost of fuel today. I don't know of any other organization around the world that can give this kind of training, because it's beyond just the theory, it's beyond the hall, it's the academics, it goes to the actual application. It's not if, it is when. The chance of having a fire will always exist. There's always going to be a failure somewhere along the line. And this type of training allows us to get the first-hand experience